Safety is paramount here. Every single fuse is carefully placed by hand before moving to the next stage of assembly.
Every 4th of July, millions of fireworks light up the American sky. But have you ever wondered how these spectacular explosions are actually made?
This red zone indicates the mandatory exclusion area during mixing. Ensure all grounding straps are secured before beginning work.
Safety check complete. We are clear for the production zone. All right, lead the way.
This bottleneck in the fusing sequence is slowing us down.
If we reroute the assembly through line 4, we can accelerate the output.
Looks good. Get the green light on that optimization immediately.
What you're about to see next is where simple materials begin their transformation into the fireworks that power America's biggest celebrations.
The data suggests the moisture content is within acceptable parameters. Good. We can sign off on this batch then.
The pressure reading here looks stable after the adjustment.
Agreed. The data on the tablet confirms it's within the optimal range. Careful with the red powder, Maria. It's sensitive today.
Don't worry, Miguel. I've got it. We're almost done with this batch.
Keep an eye on the feed rate for the green powder. It's jamming again. Understood. I'll slow it down slightly.
The colors are ready. Next comes the stage that turns these components into the giant fireworks shells used in professional displays.
The shift from magenta to the blue spectrum is stable at 400 milliseconds.
And the gold standard looks promising for the new compound. Look at the intensity spike at 520 nanometers. It's stable through the decay phase. Excellent result, gentlemen. Preparing the next sample now.
The blue effect is optimized. We are good to go. Final approval confirmed. Start the run. This batch is showing a slight deviation in the casing thickness. I see that. Let's flag it for engineering review before sealing. Measurement on this batch is consistent. Fuse connection looks secure.
All right, logging this as a pass then. Make sure the fuse is centered on that batch.
Already checked, moving to the next crate.
Here seems slightly off spec. The casing thickness is inconsistent.
I agree.
Let's isolate this lot and review the recent calibration logs.
The fireworks are assembled, but before they can light up the sky on the 4th of July, they must survive a series of strict safety and performance tests. That's next.
The burst height on that willow effect is precisely within tolerance.
Noted. The color saturation is exceptional.
The tensile strength on this batch seems lower than Q3.
Let me check the digital log. It matches the revised specifications here.
All right, let's sign off on the batch then.
The crimping on this fuse looks slightly loose. We need to check the rest of the batch for consistency.
The casing seems slightly thin on this one, but the weight is accurate. Yes, the caliper reads 40 millimeters. It's within the acceptable range. Good. Let's sign off on this crate.
Look at this fluctuation in the ignition sequence data here.
Yes, the thermal imaging shows an anomaly right here. Let's isolate that section.
We need 3 more pallets of the Thunderbombs ready for shipment by 1600. Copy that, moving them now.
Check the lot number on this batch. Looks good. Seals are intact.
We have a red flag on shipment 4R. Reroute to the secondary depot immediately.
Confirmed. Rerouting 4R now.
The fireworks have passed inspection, but they're still not ready for the 4th of July. Next comes one of the biggest packaging operations in the factory.
Watch your step with that pallet jack, Brenda.
Got it, thanks. We need another layer on this one.
This one goes to the south ramp. Make sure the labels match. Got it, moving it now.
Millions of fireworks are now on their way across the country. But before the big celebration begins, let's see the incredible... Millions of fireworks are now on their way across the country. But before the big celebration begins, let's see the incredible...
Make sure those are manifested correctly. I need the count by the next hour.
Copy that, Supervisor.
Confirming inbound shipment on aisle 7.
Received. Moving the pallets now.
Reroute the shipment from Sector 4. The robotic arms in Sector 7 are showing a delay. Confirmed. Adjusting the assembly sequence now.
Watch the pallet, it's heavy. Got it. Bring it back slowly.
We have room for 2 more here. Okay, center it up and bring it in slowly. That's good, drop it right there. Let's stack this batch over there by the red markers.
Got it. We should clear this section before the next shipment arrives. Manifest confirmed. All boxes accounted for. Get this sealed and on the road now.
Across the nation, we're working hard to deliver the celebration safely and on time.
We need these manifested before the next truck arrives. Pallet 7, please.
All right, moving them now.
Did you get the manifest scan for these?
Affirmative. Taking them up to the high racks now.
Look at how efficient the new line is running.
The projections here show a 20% increase by next quarter.
That's incredible.
Our nationwide network ensures that the spirit of celebration reaches every city, connecting coast to coast with speed and precision. From raw materials and factory production to packaging, warehousing, and nationwide distribution, this is the incredible operation.